Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, the truck driver guy. As you guys can see here, it's a theft going on in wow, somebody broke the wow, somebody broke into the semi truck and broke the window, and wow, oh my goodness, unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah guys, this is what's happening here. Wow. That is crazy. Somebody stole my GPS for truck drivers, my laptop. It's costed, man, a lot of money. And somebody broke the mirror here. Oh, window. Wow, that is crazy. That is crazy. Wow. Oh my goodness. Well, it is what it is, guys. Well, if you ever park your truck in the areas like this, I mean, this is a business area. I mean, lots of trucks park over here. It's a Freightliner dealer, but as you guys can see here, that is what happened to the semi truck. And wow, I cannot believe it. Somebody stole my laptop. Well, good thing I have a password on there. Wow. My GPS that cost like $400. Unbelievable. That is crazy. I mean, as you guys can see, here is the glass from the windows. Oh my goodness. Wow. Unbelievable. Well, yeah guys, I guess I'm gonna call cops right now, and gonna have to do what I have to do. Wow. I think somebody even stole my... Oh wow, somebody even stole my... Oh shoot. How can... That is crazy. When somebody even stole my... Wow. That is crazy. I mean, look what they did. I mean, wow. That is crazy. My GPS was stolen. Right here, my GPS was stolen. Wow, they messed up the whole truck. Wow. Yeah guys, I think time to call cops and see what's gonna happen. Man.